guys, happy Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. It's February 16, 2025. It's already 3:42 a.m. to be exact. Pero kanina pa ako nagising around 12 a.m. At naisipan ko na mag-vlog ngayong Sunday kasi medyo marami akong ganap. So title na lang siguro, my Sunday story. Yan, pwede na yun. So I want to bring you with me sa kung anong ganap ko on a Sunday. So, by the way, kaya nga pala kanina pa ako gising around 12 a.m. kasi I have deadline dun sa mga assignment ko sa school na kailangan kong i-submit today. Well, yung deadline talaga is mamaya pa around 11:55 p.m. Pero since may ganap ako, hindi ko siya magagawa. So, I need to do it now. Yes, currently, I'm studying. Nag-aaral ako, nag-take ako ng Master's degree in Public Management sa University of the Philippines Open University. So, this is my third semester na. So, first sem, merong dalawang course na pwede kang mag-enroll. So, currently, yung course na meron ako is yung Public Fiscal Management or Public Fiscal Administration and then Financial Management in the Government. So, ayun, medyo madugulang na courses. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko pinagsabay. So, yeah. You might be wondering siguro bakit ako nag-take ng Public Management Masters in Public Management. Well, first, hindi ako papasok ng, hindi ako magpo-politician, that's for sure. O, well, hindi natin masabi. Pero, for now, yes, wala siya sa plan ko na pumasok ng politics. It's, ibang level of stress for sure, if ever. Kaya talaga ako nag-take ng public management kasi I feel like if I have more knowledge sa public management, mas mamamanage ko ng maayos yung project na nilaunch ko together with my childhood friends 3 years ago. So, we've launched this project. It's a giving back to community project. Pero yung project na meron kami muna is a back to school project. Which we provide school supplies to underprivileged students dun sa hometown namin sa Biri, Northern Samar. It's a small island in Northern Samar. So ayun, that has been very successful actually, and I'm very happy and proud of it kasi yung first year namin, yung target lang namin is 100 students sana na beneficiaries, but with this overwhelming support nakapagbigay kami to more than 130 plus students. And then second year naging 300 plus yung student beneficiaries namin, and then just last year 2024 with the overwhelming support from friends and the sponsors, nakapagbigay kami ng school supplies to more than 600 students. That's across 7 elementary schools dun sa hometown namin. So yun, I feel like kapag may mas knowledgeable pa ako sa public management, I will be able to manage this project and then come up with a new project na mas magbe-benefit talaga yung community kasi ayun, yun talaga yung ultimate goal. Come up with a project na the entire community dun sa hometown namin will really benefit from it. So yun, baka sabihin nyo, bakit hindi, but public management? Well, yung plan ko talaga is to take the Community Development Master sa UP Diliman. Kaso lang, if I do it dun sa UP Diliman na Community Development, it will require me to go to class, on-site kasi face-to-face yung classes pag sa UP Diliman ng Master's degree sa Community Development. At hindi siya mag-work sa akin kasi medyo demanding yung work ko. Currently, yung work ko kasi is panggabi. So, kapag umaga yung class, medyo mahihirapan ako kasi yun yung oras ng tulog ko. And then at the same time, I love to travel. So, for the past few years, medyo nagta-travel ako from time to time. So, medyo wala ako sa bahay almost every quarter. So, yung goal kaya sa UPOU kasi meron siyang flexibility kung kung kahit saan mo siya gagawin yung online class mo. So, yun, pasok na pasok siya sa gusto ko. Well, anyway, so yun lang guys, kaya na pa ako actually nag-start. Ito station ko. Dito rin ako nag-work, pero dito rin ako nag-school. Medyo maliwanag siya kasi gusto ko mas maliwanag kapag nag-work or nag-aaral ako. And then later, ng 5 AM, maliligo na ako. As you can see, wala pang ligo. Pero maliligo na ako ng 5 AM kasi attend ako ng worship service ng early morning kasi may ganap ako. Pupunta ako ng Las Piñas. Birthday ng ni Sab. She's the daughter of my childhood friend na si Jean. So pupunta kami ng Las Piñas to celebrate Sab's birthday. And then after that, di ko na alam. So di ko alam kung anong ganap. So yun. Kaya I'll bring you with me kung anong gagawin natin on a Sunday. So yan lang guys. Natapos na ako sa mga assignment ko sa isang course. So may isa pa. Feeling ko naman kaya pa. In 1 hour and 10 minutes, matatapos ko siya. So yan lang guys. Aral muna and then right after this, mag-church ako. See you later! Guys, tapos na ako mag-ayos. So, ito lang tayo. Medyo formal lang tayo for the worship service. Mag-start ng 6 AM. It's already 5:30 AM. So, meron akong 30 minutes to travel. Pero yung pupuntahin kong church, malapit lang naman. It's just like 15 minutes lang. Mag-e-bike lang ako papunta doon. So, yun guys. Ang buhok ko ganito lang talaga. Hindi ako nag-ayos ng buhok. So, naglagay lang din ako ng lip balm. Then yun lang. Fresh lang tayo for the worship service. So, see you guys after an hour and 30 minutes. So, it's 7:45 AM na guys. Kadarating ko lang sa bahay from church. Yung meetup namin mamaya is 11 AM dun sa Las Piñas to celebrate mo yung birthday ni Sab, yung daughter ni Jean. So, ano daw yun? Magsasamkip daw kami. So, medyo matagal pa yun. Dapat diretso na ako. Pero yung gagawin ko is breakfast muna ako. Nagluto ako ng kamote. Kasi naka-fasting ako guys. Dapat kanina pa ako pwedeng kumain. So parang hindi ko kakayanin kung 11 AM pa kakain. So kakain na muna ako ng breakfast. Pero kamote lang naman. So yun lang. Breakfast lang. Coffee ulit. Tapos prepare na going to Las Piñas. Ito guys ang breakfast ko. So kamote yan. Hindi yan mashed kamote. Nangyari kasi niluto ko lang siya sa rice cooker, tapos iniwan ko na nakalagay pa rin sa tubig nang umalis ako for church. So, pagbalik ko, ayan, medyo parang dahil matagal siya nakababad sa mainit na tubig, almost nagkadurog-durog na, pero mukhang okay pa rin naman. And then, meron lang akong Vienna sausage, tapos of course, may coffee. Black coffee lang talaga ako, hindi ako naglalagay ng sugar. Mas gusto ko kasi yung coffee ko is black. So, yun lang guys. Let's have breakfast. So guys, nandito na ako sa Ayala Cloverleaf Mall dito sa may Balintawak. Bago ako pasakay ng LRT going to Las Piñas, hindi na pala ako nakapag-video from Bulacan to here kasi nagmamadali ako, tsaka nag-bus lang pala ako by the way. Mag-take lang din ako ng LRT going to Las Piñas. Good thing na may LRT station na malapit dun sa Kalajean, so hindi na ako mahihirapan. So yun lang guys, bibili lang ako ng gift. Actually nakapili na ako, tapos punta na ako sa Las Piñas. So ito guys, yung napili kong gift, itong t-shirt na to, extra small lang si Sab. Tsaka itong parang crop top na sweater. I like this one. Actually, gusto ko sana yung New York. Kaso parang walang size ng extra small. Ayun guys, so nakabili na ako ng gift for Sab dito sa H&M. So papunta na ako sa may LRT Balintawak going to Las Piñas. So guys, dito na ako sa LRT. Bale, 23 stations from here, Balintawak to Dr. Santos. Yun yung pinakadulong station na before hanggang Baclaran lang. So ngayon hanggang Dr. Santos. So pag pumunta ng Las Piñas, mas madali. Guys, it's already 11:30. So nandito na ako sa sakyan ni Tuding, ni Jean, and with Laar. Sarili nandun pa. From Balintawak, nag-LRT lang ako. Parang sumakay ako ng 10:40. So just for 50 minutes lang. 11:30. Sakto. Nandito na kami sa Dr. Santos Avenue. This is in Parañaque, di ba? Hindi pa Las Piñas. Parañaque. Pero ang ganda. Ano masasabi mo? Right. Actually, pare-paras kami ng reaksyon ni Laar kasi first time namin mag-LRT ng diretso dito. Kasi yung last kong sakay ng LRT hanggang Baclaran lang. So parang, kailan pa ito binuksan?
Last year?
Last year pa. So ang ganda ng view, bagong-bago pa yung tawag dito, bagong-bago pa yung station. I feel like we have a very good train system naman. Pero syempre hindi siya, ay, nandito na sa Ugata. O diba? Miss Pakari. So sabay-sabay lang kami.
Perfect.
Manila, Quezon City, Manila, ay hindi ako. Bulacan, Makati, Manila, and then sila ay is galing lang Pasay.
Mag-grab kaya yun?
So sabay-sabay na kami.
Siya mag-grab yun.
So yun guys, punta na kami sa pa-birthday ni Sab. Yun talaga yung reason kung bakit kami nandito. So we're here na for the Samgyup. I-flex natin tong beshi natin na pinaka kumikinang. Kumikinang yung frog. Frog yun, di ba? Ano yung dito? Ano pakita? Yaman-yaman ang beshi natin. Magpapaagaw yan ng pera mamaya. And so si Sab pala yung my birthday. Sab!
Happy birthday!
Ayan, happy birthday! Ayan, so dapat ganyan. As ulirang nanay, pagsilbihan mo kami. Birthday ng anak mo, niyayayaya mo kami, di ba? Tama ba? Sa Samgyup. Dito kasi talaga yung taga-silbi talaga. Original taga-silbi si Papang. The original. Kaya sarap buhay ng mga to. Pinagsisilbihan. Ayun guys, so after 2 hours of eating ito sa Samgyup, our next stop is... Saan nga ba tayo?
SM South Mall.
SM South Mall. Mag-video okay kami. So there, andito na pala yung taga-isang Bulacan. Say hi! So, punta na kami doon. Let's go! So next stop is SM South Mall. We're here. So, nandito kami sa... Ano nga ba to?
Hotel Sogo.
Hindi.
KTV room.
KTV room dito sa South Mall. So, we're doing a video okay session for today's
Video okay?
Session for today's ganap. So, there. Tapos, pagpupusted kami ng Alfonso Light. We have Alfonso. Ano ba yung inumin natin?
Soju.
Okay. Kala ko Alfonso Light. Soju. And everything. So there, we'll be staying here for 2 hours.
Ayun, ikaw lang tumandaw na ngayon.
I'm so glad to know you told me that you love me if I ever change. Welcome me into your arms again. I'm running out of the rain. Hey, 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 there's a place in your heart to love me again.
Oh.
Kung paano'y limot ko na.
Ang tita ng bayan.
Ano ang pag-ibig ko?
Oh, emote, bes.
Kung nilalaan sa iyo. Ang buhay ng ating mundo. Time to let
Yes.
that I can live. I can Make step. I can live. I can ride but strong. I can sing just a song. I can dance, I can fly. Baka p.m. Yung planong 2 hours lang nag-extend, naging 3 hours. So para po silang mga walang asawa. Calling the attention of Janjan, Marnel's asawa, and Marco Laay's asawa. Mga asawa mo nyo po, mga walang pakialam sa buhay. So yun, going home na. This is our Sunday story. Yeah. So nandito na kami, LRT. Riding the LRT again. A brand. Australia. Sa Dear Mom.
Sorry sa sariling bayan. Nasa Hong Kong.
So yung mga tita ng bayan, alas 8 na, ngayon palang uuwi. Sawadee ka Thailand. It's already 11:03 p.m. 11:03 p.m. February 16, 2025. Nakasurvive tayo. By the way, kayo na pa ako dumating sa bahay around 10:30 p.m. Umalis kami ng Las Piñas around 7:15 p.m. So ayun. Thank you guys for joining me today. For joining me with my Sunday story. Hopefully, kahit pa paano nakilala nyo ako through my Sunday story or the things that I did today. Nakakatuwa pala kanina, hindi ko na na-video, pero nakita ko kanina sa South Mall si Amja, one of my friends from the previous company that I've worked with. Nakakaloka lang na doon pa kami nagkita sa South Mall. She was also shocked seeing me there. So hi Amja, shout out to you. By the way, it was a meaningful Sunday for me. Nakapag-church ako, nakagawa ko ng mga assignment ko sa school. I was able to I was able to spend a great time with my childhood friends. It's always a great time naman being with them. So, yun lang guys. And happy birthday again, Sab. We love you. And hopefully you like our surprises and you will enjoy your birthday. Kasi yung birthday talaga ni Sab is tomorrow pa, February 17. So yun lang guys. Thank you again for joining and watching my vlog. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Have a great day guys. Love you.